Pablo Marçal is a Brazilian entrepreneur, coach, and author known for his strategies in personal and financial development. He has gained recognition in Brazil for his teachings on how to transform mindset and habits to achieve financial success. Marçal is the author of several books and mentorship programs that help people achieve their financial and life goals. The book How to Make a Million by Pablo Marçal provides a practical guide for those who want to achieve their first million. Marçal approaches wealth building in a straightforward and accessible way, emphasizing that the secret to financial success lies not only in earning money but in developing a prosperity-oriented mindset. He stresses that anyone can reach this goal if they are willing to change their habits and apply the right principles. Among the main teachings of How to Make a Million is the importance of creating an abundance mindset, where the focus is on opportunities rather than limitations. Marçal explains that to make a million, it is essential to master skills such as financial planning, smart investing, and the ability to make quick and effective decisions. The book also highlights the importance of surrounding yourself with people who share the same growth mindset. The central message of the book is that the path to the first million is a combination of mindset, strategy, and continuous action. How to Make a Million is aimed at entrepreneurs, professionals, and anyone who wants to transform their financial reality and achieve financial freedom. How to Make a Million helps solve problems such as lack of knowledge about investments, difficulty in financial planning, and the absence of a growth-oriented mindset, offering practical tools and a clear approach to achieving financial success. To conclude, these are the 5 main teachings you will learn from the book How to Make a Million by Pablo Marçal. Abundance mindset. Marçal highlights the importance of adopting a mindset focused on opportunities and growth, which is crucial for achieving prosperity. Strategic financial planning. The author teaches how to create and follow a financial plan that allows you to accumulate wealth consistently. Smart investing. Learn to invest wisely, taking advantage of the best opportunities to grow your money. Effective decision-making. The ability to make quick and strategic decisions is essential to seize opportunities and avoid losses. Building a support network. Marçal emphasizes the importance of surrounding yourself with people who share the same growth vision and mindset. Relevant psychology line. The book How to Make a Million can be associated with success psychology, an approach that combines elements of positive psychology and neuroscience to understand how beliefs, habits, and mindset influence financial success. Success psychology suggests that by cultivating a growth mindset and applying effective decision-making and planning practices, people can overcome internal limitations and achieve great accomplishments. This line of thinking is relevant to Marçal's book because it highlights that the barriers to financial success are often psychological and can be overcome by reprogramming the mind and adopting habits that promote growth and prosperity. This was our summary of the book How to Make a Million by Pablo Marçal. We hope it has helped you.